Dear Swamiji, I have been practicing yoga and meditation for years. I have mastered many of the asanas. Everyone around me looks at me like I am enlightened, but inside I know I am not. I have a deep yearning to experience the truth of life, but do not know where to turn. Please guide me.
Through this question, you have already turned where you need to turn. Understand? Through this question, you already turned where you need to turn. The question, dear Swamiji, I have been practicing yoga and meditation for years, have mastered all the asanas. Everyone around me looks at me like I am enlightened, but inside I know I am not. I have a deep yearning to experience the truth of life, but do not know where to turn. Please understand. This is the usual state of many people practice yoga without going to the original scriptures. But it's okay. You started in some form. Now it is time. Turn to original yogic literatures, the Swatmarama's Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Mahadeva's Shivagama Yogapatha. Don't be afraid. They are not vast, voluminous books. Just in few hundred pages, they will be able to guide you, give you clarity, and raise you to the next level and help you to achieve your enlightenment. All you need to do is just turn towards authentic scriptures or the masters who are teaching based on authentic scriptures. Please understand, fortunately, yoga has become $1 trillion industry. But flip side, the other side of it is dilution, pollution, because of the necessity to commercialize as per the tastes of the customers, clients who are practicing. So please understand, but you don't have to worry about it. The solution is here. Go back to the original scriptures written by Mahadeva, Swatmarama, Goraknatha, Maschendranatha, Patanjali. I can comfortably stand by these 5 names. Adi Yogi Mahadeva's Shivagama Yogapatha, and Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, and Swatmarama's Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Kumbhaka Paddhati and Hatha Yoga literatures, Maschendranatha and Goraknatha's yogic literatures. I can very comfortably, authentically stand by these 5 great masters and books by these 5 great masters. These 5 time-tested, foolproof, with no wrong or bad side effects, will help you to reach the real purpose of the yoga by the founding forefathers. So you just need to turn towards the original scriptures or the masters who are teaching as per the original scriptures. Understand? The individual teachers, gurus, masters' expertise or their personal experience should be accepted as long as it is aligned with the original scriptures. As long as the Atma Pramana, the individual experience, is in tune with the Apta Pramana, the ancient, traditional masters' experiences. So if there is a difference between these two, always go back to the ancient master's experience. That should be the touchstone. Ancient, authentic scriptures should be the touchstone. So understand, it is time for you to turn towards the authentic scriptures or the masters who teach from the authentic scriptures.